definition of probability. Basic definition. If a random experiment results n exhaustive, exclusive and equally likely elementary events, and m of them are favorable to an event E, then probability of occurrence of event E denoted by P of E. It is denoted by P of E. E is given by m by n. As shown in the figure, E is an event, S is the sample space. The number of elements in the event E are m and the number of elements in the sample space is n. So, n of E equal to m, n of S equal to n. The definition of the probability is given by probability of E equal to number of cases favorable to event E by total number of cases. So, the favorable to the event E are m and the total number is n, m by n. So, P of E is equal to m by n. Students, this ratio is always positive. The ratio always lies between 0 and 1. So, P of E always lies between 0 and E. So, the probability of 0 means it is an impossible event. The probability of 1 means it is certain event, sure event we can say. So, the probability value is always a positive quantity, lies between 0 and 1. Let us take one example. When a coin is tossed, sample space contains h comma t. When a coin is tossed, the sample space contains ht. S is equal to head or tail. Let E be the event of occurrence of a tail. E be the event occurrence of a tail. So, n of E is equal to 1 point will be there since E is event is equal to 1 tail, and n of S is equal to 2 points because n of S contains means 2ht. Now, the probability of occurrence of event E, that is occurrence of a tail, is 1 by 2. So, half of the chances are there. So, this is an important thing you have to understand, that the probability value is always lies between 0 to 1. If it is 0, it is an impossible event. If it is 1, it is a sure event. We can also give an example for impossible event. When a die is rolled, getting a 7 is an impossible event. So, probability is 0 in that case. And you know that if E is an event and E complement are there, always probability of E plus probability of E complement gives 1 because that is nothing but the total sample space. So, P of E plus P of E complement, that is not happening of the event E, is given as 1. So, that is one of the important results you have to remember. Next, coming to next word is odds in favor of event. Odds in favor of event means, if you take odds in favor of event is n of E by n of E complement. The meaning is number of cases favorable to E by number of cases against to event E. Number of cases against to E. That against is nothing but E dash. So, n of E by n of E dash is nothing but odds in favor of event E. Odds in favor of E. If you divide this by n of S, numerator as well as denominator, due to the sample space, it is converted as probability of E by probability of E complement. So, odds in favor of event E is probability of E by probability of E complement. Similarly, we can write odds against event E, that is given by probability of E complement by probability of E. So this is about odds in favor and odds in against, we can say. Next concept. We'll take one example to solve this model. What are the odds in favor of throwing at least 8 in a single throw with 2 dice? Let us see. What are the odds in favor of? The odds in favor of throwing at least 8 in a single throw with 2 dice. Once again, what are the odds in favor throwing at least 8 in a single throw with 2 dice? Students, you know that when you throw with 2 dice, the sample space is 6 square. For 1 die, the sample space is 6 points will be there. For 2 dice, there will be 36 points will be there. So n of s is equal to 36, 6 square, because we are throwing 2 dice. Now the question is here, odds in favor of throwing at least 8 in a single throw when 2 dice. You want at least 8 means minimum 8 or 9 or 10 or 11 or 12. So 8 or 9 or 10 or 11 or 12. This is called at least 8. Now what are the events? The event you can write. If the first die shows 2, second die shows 6. 2 plus 6, 8. Write the possibilities. First die shows 6, second die shows 2. 6 plus 2, 8. If first die shows 3, second will show 5. If first die shows 5, second will show 3. With 8 is over. Now I am going for 9. If first die shows 3, second will show 6. First shows 6, second is 3. If first die shows 4, second shows 5. First is 5, second is 4. And next, we miss one point here. 2, 6, 6, 2, 3, 5, 5, 3. Of course, one point is missing. That is 4, 4 also is there because you want 8. First die shows 4, second is also 4. And up to 9 is over. Is there any possible to get 9? Is over. Now I am going for 10. First die shows 4, second shows 6. First die 6, second is 4. You want sum is 10. So first is 5, second is also 5. And coming to 11. First die shows 5, second shows 6. First is 6, second is 5. 11 is over. And coming to last point is 12. Only one is there, 6, 6. Once again, students, we want, when you want the odds in favor throwing at least 8 in a single throw when 2 dice are thrown. At least 8 means the possibilities are 8 or 9 or 10 or 11 or 12. To getting 8, first die shows 2, second 6, first 6, second 2, first 3, 5, 5, 3, 4, 4. Like that you can write all the possibilities. How many are there if you count it? The n of E is equal to 15 will be there. And n of S is how much? 36. Now I am writing the probability of this. Probability of P of E is equal to 15 by 36. N of E by N of S. N of E by N of S is equal to 15 by 36. If we cancel that, you will get 5 by 12. So, you will get P of E is equal to 5 by 12. This is the event of occurring at least 8. But you want here odds in favor. Odds in favor means you want P of E by P of E complement. So, P of E by P of E complement means P of E by P of E complement I want. So, P of E by 1 minus P of E. You know that P of E plus P of E complement is always 1. So the probability of E is equal to how much you got? Pi by 12 by 1 minus pi by 12. If you simplify this, you will get finally 5 by 7. So odds in favor of event is 5 by 7. 12 minus 5, 7, 12, 12 cancel. 5 by 7 is the answer. Once again, students, you want at least 8 when you throw 2 dice. At least 8 means the possibilities are 8 or 9 or 10 or 11 or 12. It is very easy to write. If first dash shows 2, second 6. First 6, second 2. You check it always, adding of them you must get 8. First 3, second 5. 5, 3, 4, 4, 3, 6, 6, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4. If you count all of them, there are 15 possibilities are there. Total is 36. We calculated the probability of the event. P of E is equal to N of E by N of S, that is 15 by 36. By cancellation, you get P of E equal to 5 by 12. Now I want odds in favor of the event, that is P of E by P of E complement. P of E complement you can write as 1 minus P of E, because P of E plus P of E complement always use 1. Now you put the value of probability of event E 5 by 12 and simplify. Your answer is finally 5 by 7.